Let's start another problem. To build a 2D CAD model as shown in figure. You can see here, this is the dimension 5 mm, then 5 mm this, then 23 mm, 5 mm and 40 mm is height, and this distance is 20 mm, this distance is 25, this is 13 and this is 15. So let's build this. So let's now I have to create the sketches that in isometric view I should get the proper shape. So sketch normal to plane. Now line, okay, we can start from this corner. So I will make the rough drawing, then I will do the dimensioning. Give the dimension. So this was the 5 mm and this dimension is 5 mm. The distance is 23 mm. We will give this dimension of this is 5 and the distance is 23 and this distance is 40. Okay, so from this point this distance is 20 and this distance is 13. Okay, so whenever it is shows the red, it is showing the over dimension, so we will delete it. Next is this distance. The distance is 25 and this automatically distance becomes 15. Okay, so there is no need of this 15 distance. You can see it is showing hidden up because already this is 40 and this is 25. So now we are show the constraint. So we are delete some of the constraints. So we'll delete some of the constraints here. Now this diagram is now properly constrained. Now this is completed. Now what is the next? Extrude. Select the sketch. So this is our sketch. How much distance is there? We can check it. So this is 20 plus 20 plus, so 60 mm distance is there. Okay. After that extrude, we have to make the 10 by 15 slot on this top plane. So we have to go to there. So the distance is 60 and say symmetric. Okay, so whenever the symmetric object is there, you should select the symmetric. Okay. Next is sketch. Select this plane, view normal to sketch plane, and you can say the rectangle like this. So here I will give the dimension. So this distance is 10 mm. Okay, and this distance, let's take it, so that is 30 mm. Okay, so the distance is 30 mm and from this center its distance is 15 mm. We will delete this 15 mm. Show constraints. We are going to delete some of the constraints. We're done. So next is extrude. So here you have to select remove and select the sketch. This sketch is we have to remove. Up to depth is 15 mm. So depth is given, that is 15 mm. Done. So next is that we have to make the 20 by 15 mm slot on this second bottom plane. So we have to select sketch here on this face, view normal to sketch plane. Similarly, rectangle, give the dimensions. This is 20, then this is 13. From this to this the distance is 10. Show constraints, so we will delete some of the constraints. Okay, so this diagram is completed. Okay, so extrude, in that select remove, select the sketch. This is the sketch, and here you have to remove. So we have, there is no bottom, so we have to remove through all. It will be okay. Once you make the isometric view, so it should be the properly look like the whatever the diagram is given to draw. Okay, thank you.